Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to sign up for AliExpress. So I will use my browsing system for that. I opened official website of AliExpress. This is AliExpress.com, and at the top of my screen I want to look for man icon that looks like this. Then tap it and I see two options, sign in or register. Of course I use register option, and now I need to decide what exactly I will use to create my AliExpress account. It could be email or your phone number, or also you can use quick access. It could be Google, Facebook, Apple account or X. So let me go with quick access. I need to select my account. And boom, I'm logged into my account. If I go back to my man icon, I can see that I'm signed into my account. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.